Hi guys, this is Cyprus Real Tech Reviews, and this is Android in a Minute. Today, this is for the Samsung fans. This is how we're gonna get your floating apps going. Okay, so then we're gonna go into an app, pick any app. Okay, we're gonna pick in Pinterest here. Okay, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna drag down from either corner of either top corner, so the left or right, yeah, and we're going to drag down and we're going to swipe down, and this will bring down your app into floating window. There you go. So now the options you can have is you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, and there you go, it's right there anytime you need it. Ain't going to go away. You can make it as opaque as possible, or less opaque, more or less opaque. So you've got the opacity here, and you can bring it into split screen. And the last is something I don't know, but let's find out. What's that? All right, so it brings it into a window mode. There you go. It brings it into window mode, so you can make it bigger or smaller. That's really cool, isn't it? Anyway, this is Cyprus Real Tech Reviews with Android in a Minute. And if you like this type of video, please hit the subscribe and ding the notification bell so you can get more notifications when I put up my videos. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.